Good morning or good afternoon, Open Tech team. Thank you for joining us for a Dynamics CRM training. Today, we're going to discuss making habit of using activities, your Outlook integration, and CRM in your engagement management, opportunity management, leads management, even if you're a CSM and you're just following up with tickets, onboarding, whatever it looks like. If you get into a flow of using the system to help you remember to set follow-ups, to engage the customer, it's going to really help the entire organization. And most of all, it's going to help our clients be more successful and our prospects consume more of our products and services. So right now, what you can see is obviously the Outlook client. Bob has been doing a great job working with a particular client on CAS services. It's been going on for a little while. So you can imagine there's lots of emails that go back and forth. It started as a lead, it went to an opportunity, several different people involved. So pretty complicated engagement. I had sent John Kieran right here an email being curious about when a decision might be being made. So I only give you that example to help you understand that we're in the middle of a bigger process and engagement with this particular client. So please, as you watch this, you can replace this with an engagement about a ticket. You can replace this with an engagement about a termination. You can replace this with an engagement about an enhancement request or any number of reasons why we engage people in the field. So in this particular case, John sent me an email, and I'll just open it real quick. Sorry, we've got to pull it over onto the right screen, just replying to my original email. Now I'm going to close that and show you I have a draft in here. So I just created a response email to John. So let's move this over here. So again, I got a little ahead of the game. I didn't want to type this all out in advance, but I'm basically thanking John for his response, his transparency, and giving us a general idea on when they may engage us. Okay. Now, what I want to make sure and do is I want to make sure and hit my Dynamics 365, and I want to make sure and associate this, if it's not already associated, to the opportunity that we have going with John. So you can see right now, John at Montreal Mini on the right-hand side, you can see it found John's contact information. And if I scroll down, you can see the account that John is related to, and you can see the actual opportunity right here, SEO and SEM marketing. Okay, I've got a little two bars here or two little chain links, and I can just click that and set regarding. And what that means is that this email and the email conversations going back and forth will now show up in the timeline of the actual opportunity itself. Okay. If I couldn't see this opportunity down here, I could very easily just search for Montreal Mini. And you can see here there's results for record types. If I click that and I just click opportunities, you can see I just have the opportunities here for Montreal Mini. If I go back, this could say tickets, it could say contacts, leads, accounts. You can see all of these things, but it gave me quickly the ability to find it and set regarding for this email. And you can see here it says that the tracking of this email is pending. Now, in sales, we call leads and opportunities moving forward in the process in motion. And what I mean by that is just like tickets are in motion, just like enhancement requests are in motion, just like termination processes in motion, it means that we need to update the record in CRM. Now, I can easily do that by hitting the ellipsis and selecting View and Dynamics. And what it does is it automatically pops up the opportunity you can see in the upper left-hand corner that we were looking at in Outlook in CRM. Okay, I'm going to maximize that. So I can make all of my changes, right? If I need to change the sales stage, if I need to change the ticket progress, if I need to move forward in the workflow, right? If I need to adjust any of the data in this particular opportunity, I should do that right now. Now, more importantly, in this particular instance, I'm going to send John this email basically saying thank you, but I need to follow up in a couple of weeks. So I'm going to create a follow-up task. And actually, in this particular case, I'm going to create it for Bob, not for myself, because this is Bob's opportunity. He's doing such a great job on follow up with top of mind for this client. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is that we don't want to bug them, but we want to send articles or CAS specific, marketing specific, valuable details to John. And I want to put that a couple of weeks out. All right. So we're going to do that on the 6th of June. You can see it's still associated to the opportunity. I don't think it's going to take very long. And I do want that to be a high priority, and I'm going to click save. Okay. So now I know I have a follow-up set up. Now I know if I close this particular opportunity, when I hit send, not only is it storing that email in the opportunity, right? But it also has my follow up there, and I can move on. I've updated my ticket information. I've updated my idea portal information. I've updated my opportunity, my lead, my contact, my account, whatever it is in that moment. I've done it and I'm done. I don't have to remember to go back to update that stuff. Okay? Do it in the moment. Slow down to speed up, and you'll find yourself far more successful in the use of dynamic CRM and in interaction with our clients. Thank you so much for spending the time today. If you have any questions, please reach out to Bill Hoffman at OpenTechAlliance.com.